Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube video channel. This is a very quick video on the socket reservation using Osteogen Plug. Osteogen Plug is the material after the tube removing you use to plug into the socket to preserve the space that the tube is missing, allow the gum to heal and the bone to recover, and really easy material to manipulate, and using the any instrument to condense and press again the socket, have the gauze bite out and stabilize the bleeding. After that, put a couple of suture in, you should be done, and the patient should be feeling just wonderful and comfortably because the procedure not involve any surgery. Patient love it, so I'm hoping that more people use Osteogen Plug. This is quite easy and convenient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys subscribe to this channel to see more daily case by case, and also learn some trick, some new tip. Of course, if you have any comment and question, feel free to comment below on the video, and I'll try to respond to you guys as early as possible. I hope you guys to spread some good clinical case here together on the platform of YouTube. And of course, everybody have different way of doing things, depend on the economic standpoint of the patient, how we want to pursue the case. Sometimes we're trying to put everything together, implant, abutment, crown, bone graft. Sometimes we do only one thing. Anyway, this is just a simple socket reservation procedure. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Everyone, have a good day. Bye-bye.